Hi, Mayor Gary Jarvis, City of Destin, Florida here today. Just want to give our residents and our visitors an update of what's going on concerning the COVID-19 protocols that we have implemented in the City of Destin. As of right now, we're using fact and science-based information to make the decisions on what's best for our community, for our visitors and permanent residents alike. We're following the leads, the mandates by federal and state authorities and Okaloosa County Health Department, and recommendations that are coming out of the CDC, the governor's office, and our Operation Command Center in Okaloosa County. One of the things I just want to remind people of is that this city, and myself as mayor, we take all these things into account. There's a chain of command in our country for a reason, and that is so we get good governance as each level of that chain of command makes their decisions. Right now, every mandate that has been made, we have followed immediately. As of today, there were changes in some of the recommendations. We've already implemented those as our recommendations. Starting today, bars will be closed. Places where large gatherings have been recommended not to take place. In our restaurants here in Destin, they've been encouraged to reduce their capacity by 50% and space out their seating. Our beaches and businesses are open, and we will follow the mandates, we will follow the recommendations of that chain of command, and we will apply those to our local community. I just want to kind of remind folks that it's good to get information from the government, local and state and federals, but also it's also important that you take a personal responsibility in the decision-making process. Garner all the information that you can. We will provide some of it for you in a way that's easy to access. But most importantly, you have to make decisions what's important to you. You have to determine what your risk factor is, what kind of decisions you want to make for your family. So there needs to be a level of personal accountability on how you endure or operate during this crisis that we all face. When you make good decisions, most likely it'll be good for your family, but it'll also be good for your neighbors. We have folks that are at higher risks than maybe you have. Another good thing to keep in mind is even though you may take this seriously and make really good decisions on your personal hygiene and mitigating the risk of contracting COVID-19, the person next to you may not. So you need to take that into account as well. Right now, we care about everyone that's in this community, visitors and residents alike. And we're just encouraging everyone to be prudent, to be smart, practice good personal hygiene. The things I'm telling you today in the next 24-hour period or 72 hours may totally change. As that happens, we will stay out in front. I just want to assure you that myself, our staff, our council, our Okaloosa County commissioners, our health departments, our governor, and the federal government, we all care about what happens in today's world with COVID-19. Thank you very much.